Welcome to Short View Trading. This is your morning market hit for Monday, 18th of November. It's around 9 a.m. London time. What matters today and this week for markets? And in particular, if you're a trader of US equity futures with a 1 to 2 week time horizon, what should you be thinking about and focusing on? Which short-term indicators will give you the clearest steer on near-term market direction? How do you make the decision to go long or short US equities? That is the purpose of this clip. Well, first we need to think about the context for this equity market, which is one that is somewhat pumped up on the recent US election result. The Trump win, of course, isn't just about looser fiscal policy. It's also about less regulation, lower corporation tax. It's a business-friendly agenda. So markets initially received all of that pretty well. You can see that on this chart on your screen now. But there's been some recent unwinding of the election-related excess, the strong risk appetite from earlier this month. You can see the S&P broke below its sideways trading range, and then on Friday last week broke below its highs from mid-October. And that pattern is similar in the Nasdaq, which is back within its range that was in place from late September to early November. The Russell 2000 small cap index is doing a little better. It hasn't fallen back within its range from October. Other key indices, though, are struggling. Take a look at the Philly Sox. This is a key semiconductor index, down hard last week by 8.6%. And as you can see, it's broken below its 200-day moving average. So equities were pumped up into and just after the election. They've started to give back some of their gains. No doubt that in part reflects the sharp move higher in US Treasury yields. The 10-year yield closed at 4.43 on Friday. And of course, that's linked to growing concerns about the potential for another rise in inflation, and especially the inflationary impact of Trump's tariffs on the world. You can see that in break-even inflation rates. The 2-year rate, for example, closed at about 2.5% on Friday. It's up about 90 bips since earlier this summer. So the key question is, have markets priced in these concerns? Concerns about possibly higher inflation, rising bond yields, tighter Fed policy next year, perhaps less liquidity. Clearly this has been troubling the equity market in the past couple of days. And therefore, how should one be trading this equity market? Well, we answer all of that in our daily publication. In it, we make a 1 to 2 week trading recommendation, long or short US equity futures. It's available on the website to subscribers. We also offer a free trial. If you're interested, click on the link below, enter your name and email address, and we'll set you up with a free trial of our daily trading publication. How do we make these calls on markets with a 1 to 2 week time frame? Well, it's indicators like this one you see on your screen now. This is our technical scoring system for the S&P 500, designed to pick the key turning points in the index. And as you can see, it's generated reasonably timely signals in recent months. On the election news, the model generated a sell signal. That's now largely unwound and the model is moving back to buy. So the key question is, what are the signals we're getting from other short-term models? Have they moved back to buy yet? Is this equity market about to find a floor and build a base and begin to rally over the next couple of weeks? Have a look at our daily publication for detail on all of that. And we'll be watching this week in terms of data and macro events and earnings. Well, there's a bit of a housing theme in the US economy this week. Today is the NAHB Home Builders Index. Tomorrow is housing starts and building permits. Thursday is existing home sales. Friday, we get the first November estimate for manufacturing and service sector PMIs. This is the S&P data. On Wednesday, it's Nvidia's earnings. So there's plenty going on. That was your morning market hit. Do follow us on YouTube, search under Short View Trading. Join us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and or Facebook. Thanks for listening.